Alright, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to play Overhaul in My Hero with Trouble. So, let's get it. I'm gonna teach y'all some combos.
Watch out.
The whole ton of other stuff. Maybe some combos, what moves do, how the support works, or how the special action works. Alright, so first, I'm gonna show you all the moves. This is the alpha. If you don't, and this is what it looks like when you're aiming.
Know your limits.
It does
You're
go a
all
bit
sick.
slower,
I'll bury you.
but
I'll destroy you.
it is pretty OP. And this is the beta. If you're in the air, then you go straight towards the ground.
You're done.
Then just misses. But it makes rocks appear out of the ground. Oh yeah, and also the alpha does 68 damage. The beta
Out of my sight.
does 84 damage. And when you're in the air, wait, hold up. I accidentally.
You're finished.
How did I miss that?
You won't withstand this. Get lost.
Whenever you're jumping from the air, it does 126 damage. And the gamma, I'm gonna do it again.
You're all sick. You're done.
Okay. Alright, hurry up.
Give up.
Respawn, hurry up. Alright, as soon as he respawns, I'm gonna show y'all what the gamma do. So the gamma,
Take your last breath.
once you click it, does 108 damage and traps them into a little thing. You can get a very good combo. Okay, this is what the special does when you're close. And whenever you get damaged, all the special does, once you get damaged, it
Don't
heals
bother
you
struggling.
and your teammates. Alright, let me show y'all a very OP combo. Alright, so first, you're gonna want to get pretty close. Hit him with the gamma, M1. Oh, I don't have my special. Whoopsie. Hold on, Alright, there you go. Alright, so what do you want to do?
You have nowhere to run.
M1 special, and then hit wherever they're about to move.
You won't
Hit them
withstand this.
whenever they're on
My
the
way. You won't withstand
You
this.
want to keep that up in your beta.
Get
Down.
done. You're sick. You're finished.
Easy. And another combo. Let her respawn. What you want to do?
You're
Hit her once with that.
You'll die in vain.
And I missed. W.
You
Hit
dirty.
her once like that.
You take
And
your
then
last
once
breath.
like that. Once like that. And then
You're
once she's
done.
like that. Oh my god. Right out the hits. And now she's dead.
There's no escape. I'll create a path. No more limits.
Just like that. Light work. And one other combo that I don't fully know, but
No
problem.
You want to hit him
Bury you.
twice with that.
Out of my sight. You won't withstand
Tell the
this. You'll
like
die
that.
in vain.
Hit him once like that. Hit him another time like that.
I'll create a path. Done.
combo's only good for people that are like about to be killed. This right here is a extremely OP combo.
All done.
Wait, did I already show you all this? I don't think so. So what you want to do first?
Take your
Hit
last
that.
breath.
1M1.
Oh, hell!
Disassembly.
Dirty rat!
That. Once they get up,
You'll die today.
hit him with that.
Not strong
And then finish
enough.
him. That's pretty much it for this video. Oh yeah, an overhaul. If you see a bird, run for your life. Or I forgot her name, but let me change into her real quick. This girl.
Accuracy
this
increased.
Then just run for your life.
In range.
There's not really.
Can you handle this? No escape. Accuracy increased. You're not ready.
Not die from this.
Accuracy increased.
Bro, how do people go?
In range.
Nah.
Accuracy increased.
So far up in
Accuracy
the
increased.
mountains,
Accuracy increased. Taking aim. No escape.
No. Wait, hold on. I kind of want to figure out how people go high up.
In range. Nowhere to run. You're done. I've got you.
This.
No escape. Can you handle this? It's futile. You're out of time. You're not ready. Nowhere to run. Overkill. Accuracy increased. You're done. High caliber round. Look alive. Struggle in vain. Taste this.
God, no
Accuracy
idea how.
increased.
Okay.
I came prepared. No escape.
But yeah, this girl, if
Not
she's
even
in the
close.
air,
You're in my sights. You're
if
done.
she's in the air, you see her,
You're out of time.
and you're overhaul.
Move it. Get
Only
lost.
way to survive
Not even
her
close.
is kind of just.
It's futile.
It's called
I've
run.
got you.
And what you?
Taste this. You're
I
done.
love it.
You're out of time. Accuracy increased. There. Sit.
Yeah, because she could pretty much just do that to you. There's nothing else cool about overhaul except just run from birds. He's super slow, and birds can murder you pretty fast. I mean, unless you have like
I'll
God.
destroy you!
And also, you need to have like the best reaction time ever to use overhaul. That's pretty much it for this video. And bye, guys.
You have nowhere to run!
Bye.